This is gonna be a unboxing of Redmi 1S with the Flipkart's outer box and with the Redmi's inner box. So here we go. The outer box is already open because I've seen all the contents inside. I have put it back as they were inside, and now I'm starting the unboxing of outer box for you guys. So this is the bubble wrap around it. Not that good packaging. They have just wound it around it. So we'll keep this aside. So we have got in the Flipkart's free offer that SIM card trays. 2 SIM card trays are inside this. Then this is a clear screen guard, that is a screen protector, Redmi clear protection screen. We'll keep this aside. And this is the main box of Redmi 1S, and as you can see the box is very small, and just like other Mi boxes, there is a specification written behind the box as quad-core Qualcomm NSM 8228 1.6 GHz 4.7-inch IPS Retina display, 8 MP BSI camera, that is 1.6 megapixel front camera, MIUI version 5, dual SIM, 1 GB RAM, 2050 mAh high capacity battery, support for 3G network and 2G network as well. So now we will cut open the seal. And here we go. The first thing inside box, your Redmi 1S. So this is the black one, not really the black one, the grey one. So this is the 4.7-inch display and 8 MP camera. So we will keep this aside. So this is charging adapter, looking quite good, quality is very nice. The port is given behind, very nice. So this is a USB cable. Packaging is quite good. The quality of USB cable looks nice, not so great but nice. The length of the cable is good. And a humongous battery inside, that is 2050 battery, 2050 milliampere hour battery, 7.6 watt hours. So color of the battery is quite vibrant, that is orange, which is looking nice. The Mi branding is there. So we will keep this aside. We'll keep back all the things inside which we don't need right now, and we will keep this aside. Now the front 1.6 megapixel camera is here. The sensor, that is proximity sensor and light sensors, a earpiece, the 4.7-inch display, 3 capacitive buttons. I don't think so those are backlit buttons. There is a small LED just below the home button. As I saw in other videos, the phone was having quite a bigger bezels around the screen, but as I am looking right now at the phone, they are not that big. They seems okay. This is a volume rocker. This is a key to lock and unlock the device and to switch it on or off. This is the first primary microphone. This is the USB port. On the left side there is nothing. On the top there is 3.5mm headphone jack. On the back side there is a 8 megapixel autofocus camera with the LED flash. This is the secondary microphone. This is a speaker and the MI branding. So we will remove the back cover now, and we will put the battery inside. The back cover is in very nice quality and it is quite difficult to open, as you can see. Now we will put in the battery, and that is a very snug fit. And so now we will do the first boot of the phone. As you can see, the screen cover which was applied before, which was applied natively by the company, is matte finish. It is not clear. Here you go. The phone didn't give me any kind of haptic feedback. The screen just went on. Now we will remove this plastic protection. I will set this up very quickly and come back. As you can see, the setup is complete now, and after completion of the setup it says congratulations, setup complete, enjoy Xiaomi and start using MIUI. So we will hit start button. As you can see, the brightness of the screen is quite low, so I will try to increase it, and there you go. After the first boot, the fluidity of the UI is quite good, and touch response is also quite good. As you can see, the phone is already showing the update is available, that is MIUI 36.0, and it is stable version. As you can see, we will go in the settings and I will show you the about phone, and the model number and the Android version is 4.3, and the RAM is 1 GB. The internal memory available is 4.76 GB out of the 8 GB. As you can see, the touch capacitive buttons are not backlit. The normal dialer. The camera looks like this. It is asking, do you want to save the location of the images? So I will say it, don't save. As you can see, it is showing that touch to focus. Okay, the camera is having that protective plastic, that's why it is not showing any images. As you can see that it is stuck in between the back cover and the back packaging, so I will try remove it and we'll come back. Here, so I have just removed it. Now we will take a look at the camera UI. I'll put on the flash and try to click the picture. Yeah, it took picture quite fast. Now I will keep the flash on auto mode. I didn't flash the light right now. As you can see, the quality of the image is quite sharp and the details have come out quite good. Even the colors look good, and even in the flashlight the image is very sharp and colors are looking good. So there you go guys, it was a quick hands-on and quick unboxing of the Redmi 1S. So if you have any questions and any kind of queries about the phone, please leave the comments below, and if you like my videos then please subscribe. Thank you.